is a house built out of stone.
Tuloy-tuloy sa pag-ikot, bukod na ko ay nasa ilalim, sana bukas na sa ibabaw naman.
Video ako.
Hi! Are you happy? Are you enjoy?
Are you happy, Manang Dolor?
I'm not. I'm happy.
How about Auntie Perla?
I'm inviting everyone to come and visit for the first time.
First time, Jed?
Oh!
Di kayo may resort na kamo diri. Adlaw-adlaw na ta diri eh.
Sana.
Layo lang, no? Sa birthday mo manang diri ta?
Masalang.
I just want to start off by saying thank you to everyone who took the time, who came out to be here today to properly say goodbye to Tita Dolores. When I was born up until I was about 8 years old, Tita Dolores dedicated a lot of her time taking care of me and my siblings. She fed us, disciplined us, made sure we were out of trouble all the time, and we wouldn't be the individuals we are today without her. She has taught me to be a strong, independent, and ambitious person, and I will forever thank her for that. I am relieved that she is now resting, and she is forever in our hearts.
I am very thankful for the time that we've had together, the way it was cut short. I will cherish them, and I will always think about you, and I hope you know how much we love you.
Hi guys, it's Sean. Although I don't remember much about Tita Dolores, she was there in the beginning years of my life, and she took care of me. She made sure that I had food, I wasn't misbehaving, and although she came off as strict sometimes, that's how she showed her love. And one lesson that I've learned from Tita Dolores is that life has many obstacles, and life is tough, and you just gotta make the best out of it.
Today, in remembrance of Tita Dolores, I want to take a moment to reflect on the love and care she shared with her family. Though my memories of her may be few, I know that she played a significant role in nurturing me and others with kindness and warmth. Even though I was too young to fully appreciate her efforts, I feel the impact of her love in my heart. I'm grateful for the moments she spent with me, even if they were small, and I will forever keep them in my memory. We may not have shared many memories, but the love that she gave is profound and it will always be cherished. As we remember her today, we should acknowledge the pure person she was, with the memories we share and the bond that continues to connect us. Though she may no longer be with us, her spirit lives in our hearts and the love that we share as a family. Thank you, Tita Dolores, for the love you gave and for being a part of my life. You will be missed but never be forgotten.
Hello sa tanan, good evening. Ako gali si Ronalyn, first cousin ni Nang Dolores. Nining ning tawag niya sa akon. Kag sa akon na dumduman, si Nang Dolores is very loving ini siya. Especially sa mga cousins, nablos kag labaw sa tanan kay Lingling kag Auntie Perla. Hilig man ini siya mananom kay natakdan ini siya ni Auntie Perla kag maski ng mga aunties niya hilig man, so nahilig niya naman nga magtanom kag panalagsa nagabaligya man ini sila ni Auntie. So damo na ni siya sa mga tanom nga mga nabilin man. Kag hilig man ni Sinang Dolores mag-business during high school days namon. Nagaluto ni siya sang mga sudan in front dira sa KNCHS. Kag dira man baka lang akon maski ang akon nga mga classmates dira man nagakaon sa iya. Kag nagabaligya man ni siya sang polar ice drop. Upod sila ni Auntie Perla. Kag hasta subong gani may nabilin man siya nga businessman nga gamay, mayara man siya dira nga store man nga nabilin. So as cousins, wala ko may nadumduman nga nag-away kami ni or mga dull moments man nga upod siya. Happy moments lang kami kung kami nag-aupdanay, lalo na upod man namon yung mga pinsan namon sa side nila mama sa Valdez nga side. Especially sa mga party-party, panalagsa may mga simple occasions like birthdays, kag mga events man. Amula ni ang chance nga kami nagakitaay kay busy man ang tanan. So, may pagkakingkay man ini Sinang Dolores, kay nalapnan man ini sa mga leaders ang kakingkuyan. Lalo na ning mga kambal si Olive kag si Olivia na always nagapanguna. So far daw amo lang ni ang madumduman ko kay Nang Dolores. Nang Dolores, thank you gid sa tanan-tanan for all the good times and the memories that were together. You will never be forgotten, but you will always be remembered. So regards na lang kay Papang, kay Uncle Ellie, kay Uncle B, kay Auntie Nora, kay Geraldine, kag kay Kay. So, bye-bye na lang ng Dolores for now, till we meet again. I know nga ra ka nagidira sa tiilan sang Ginoo. Enjoy ka na lang dira sa langit, upod nila. And till we meet again ng Dolores. Thank you for everything. Salamat gid.
Si Lingling, sister of Dolores. I want to thank everybody for coming here tonight. Remember and actually, making this video is kind of hard because I'm used to talking randomly like this to people. I can express myself more in writing, but I'll try my best to share. Last Saturday, pagtawag ni Mama sa akon, ay hambal niya dayon sa akon ay patay na daw si Manang Dolores. That was so hard to believe. Nga hindi ko nabalaan. Pero si Olive at the background was telling me, hindi patana patay si Manang Dolores, ara patana sa ospital. Tawaga si Ibya. So, gintawagin ko si Ibya, and then I saw that she was just lying on the bed. Hambal ni Ibya, 110/80 pang iyang BP, kag 96% pang iyang oxygen. She was responding a little bit sa hands niya, ang iyang feet. It was a painful scene to witness. And then I told myself, mani si Mama. Buhi pa gani, ambal niya sa akong patay do. But I knew exactly what she was talking about because my sister had a ruptured aneurysm. Pag may aneurysm, kaya they can last up to 24 hours. Just one headache. Kaya amo na kung magsakit ang ulo, the lesson for all of us, kung nagasakit ang ulo mo, hindi mo pagwalang bahala ang sakit. Because it might cost you your life. So anyways, I'm so glad that I had that opportunity to talk to her, to tell her how much I love her, me and my daughter Elise. She really held on and waited for us. Kasi she was in the hospital, 6 p.m. pa eh. Tapos I was able to call them the next day pa. Because I didn't know. She really held on. Baskin siguro nagabudlayan na siya. Gintry niya, hulaton kami nga masturya. Also, I told her that if she's already tired and hindi niya na kaya, just to let go. Because we don't want her to suffer. I think she was waiting for Princess and Sean and Alex. So I told her na si Princess, she was trying to join the call, but because she was traveling at that time and the reception was so bad, she wasn't able to join the call. And also Sean was at work, and Alex at the time was on her friend's house. But the moment she arrived, immediately she talked to Manang Dolores, and then shortly after that, ginahulag niya iyang kamot ang iyang tiil. She was really trying so hard to let us know that she heard us, like few minutes after Alex talked to her, hulag ang iyang katiil, ang iyang kamot, tapos kinisa niya sampai kataas ang iyang kamot. And then right there and then I knew that she was already saying goodbye to us. So kasakit, and even until now hindi ko pagid madawat that she's already gone. Wala lang gid pa siguro nagasing in sa akon. But tonight we're here to remember and celebrate her life. Tungbuhi pa siya. All I can say about my sister is people perceive her as somebody who is suplada, high bloodon, palaakig, palaaway, sutil, tunto, ay man kay amugid man na si Manang Dolores. When I was a kid and she was in high school, damo na namin nagakadto da pirmi sa balay, nagasinggit kay mama, abaw ng perlang, bata mo to, at tunod mo naman, nilagsaray na naman, nagkikipagrambol, may dala na naman nga baseball bat. Amo na siya, wala na siya nahadlok, makipag-away, makipagrambulan. And if there's something naging pamana niya sa akon, siguro amo man na ang nakuha ko sa iya. Kay isang elementary kag high school ako iya, nakikipag-away man ako iya sa baskin sa lalaki, hindi ako nag-atras. So amo na ang trono nga ginpasa niya sa akon. Kag mo man siguro na si mama gaugta sa amon duha. But then ang hindi balansang kadamuan, kung kilala mo gid man si Manang Dolores, she is so fun to be with. Mabinuligon gid siya sa tao. She has the softest heart. Kag hindi siya tulad sang ginaisip sang kadamuan. Petigid kabuot nga utod, very protective of me, of mama, palangga niya gid kayo si mama. Up to her last breath, si mama ang ginaisip niya. Actually, nagtrabaho na siya as security guard before sa Davao, and inbakla niya ako sang manika. So that's how she was as a sister. Ang ginipunan niya gid para mabaklan ng ako sang manika, kay balan niya gusto ko sang dolls. And she also took care of my kids, so I'm so thankful for that as well. Very loving sister, and of course loving aunt. Stricta nga aunt. Disiplinado man ang mga anak ko sa iya. I'm grateful and thankful na ginhatag siya sa Ginoo. Sister ko, Manang Dolores, thank you so much for everything. May you rest in peace na. Kay katunto gitana ni sa iya. Pati subong iya nabisita niya ko diriya sa Canada. Nakita na utana sang Netflix diri iya. Kala kami katanaw Netflix sang kaadlawon. Tapos, ginlock niya pa ang washroom namon, nga never ginatabo. Nang gabi lang nga napatay siya. Pagkatapos, ginakihampang pa siya sa mga kuring ko iya. Kag, napuno kabalahibo ang amon nga sang door ko kag sa door ni Alex. Nakipagampang siya sa mga kuring. Kag, siguro niya gusto makita sa camera, ginpatay niya ang camera. Nakabutang sa amon nga notification nga offline ang camera, baskin may internet man, kag nakasaksak man. Pati kay Princess, nagparamdaman siya. Tumambal ko lang mo ng Dolores. Rest in peace na. Ara ka na sa presensya sang Ginoo. We're happy na na-accept mo man siya. That you left in peace. Na pinaagi kay Pastor Gaspar, na-accept mo man si Jesus Christ as your first Lord and Savior. Kag gina-cherish ko all the memories that we had together as siblings.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Wala pa nag-wish.
Na-release na sa barangay.
Sabay! One more time! Ayun, ganap wa.